experiment with logic gates. We will design some adder, subtractor. We will check normal adder, carry lookup adder, and we if I don't know if uh, time will permit, we will try to give you some flavor of how to design a ALU, a small ALU. Okay, but this lab is somehow very much related to digital electronics. Okay, and you will find at least some of the content of digital electronics lab and this lab is common. Okay, you may find them common. Okay, so at the beginning of, but before I going to start, what I need to explain that before we going to start the lab, you need to understand how a small chip or the circuit will work. Okay, and basically we call them ICs. IC means integrated circuit. Okay, uh, in a small chip there are several gates are present. Suppose if you see a particular any kind of gate or chip of any kind or IC of any kind of gate, you will find that near about on an average four number of gates of that uh, type of the same type it presents in a chip. Okay, and so today our first job is to give you introduction about different kind of ICs, and in those ICs there are several gates are logic gates are present, and then we will do the lab using some simulator. Okay, we'll check different gates, their circuits, truth table, and all those, and also we will design some smaller circuits by yourself and us also, and we'll check the truth table. Okay, so we have done by the same way for the last two lab classes, and today we'll also do the same thing. So at the beginning of the class, okay, Mr. Anirban they will give you a demonstration about the ICs. Okay, then we will do the hands-on session. Okay, and then Mr. Dipankar Khorat will explain you that how will you write the assignments and when submit them in the next class, because as the physical labs are conducted, okay, in the lab we will try to do it some means by that way. So you have to submit the lab assignment means the lab work, actually lab report, you can say that what you have done today you need to submit that one in next day. By next day we will form a Google Classroom and where you need to submit that one, but you don't need to worry about that. Okay, we have allowed the type. Okay, so you don't need to write that by hand, so that means you can do copy and paste, simple one. Okay, but yes, before you're going to do that you need to know the things. Okay, so I will request Mr. Anirbande to start the demonstration of the different ICs. Okay, sir, are you ready?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Uh, okay, students, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First of all, before starting this lab, you have to familiarized with the ICs. ICs mean the integrated circuits. Sir already told you. And what are the ICs here? Now here in this lab, we are study the ICs of the different gates, basic logic gates, and we check the input output value for the every gate. Okay, and then we write the truth table and verify the truth table. This is our today's lab. And before I starting with before the starting the practical, you have to know about the basic structure of the ICs. Okay, so I have to share my screen here. One second. Okay, so how the actual IC look like? Can you see the picture? Hello,
Yes, sir.
students?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So it's write down first point about the ICs. IC is a microchip. Okay, is the first point. And there you see that some pins are there, no? This some pins. Okay, so you see here the 7 pins, 1 2 3 4 7, and the opposite side another 7. So how much total? 14. So generally the ICs have 14 pins. Some ICs are 16 pins also. So this is the actual the IC look like. Now we have to look into the inside the structure of the IC. Okay. So now write down some points about IC here. IC is an write down. IC is an assembly of electronic components. Assembly of electronic components fabricated in a single unit. Okay, fabricated in a single unit. I repeat again. IC is an assembly of electronic components fabricated in a single unit. What does it mean? Now look at the structure here. This is the AND gate IC. Okay, AND gate IC. And this IC number, IC have the unique number, all the ICs have. Okay, so this IC number is 74, screen ta lekha hocche 7408. You note down the IC number. Okay, you just note down. Now you see that here the 14 pins are there. Okay? So the number 14, this pin, what you have seen, VCC. VCC is for voltage. Okay, and this one 7 for the ground. So any electronic chip has these 2 pin always. Why? Because by this 14 pin you have to supply the power to the chip. So this pin is used for power supply. You note it down. VCC pin is used for power supply to the IC. And this pin, the 7th here, the ground is used for power drain of the IC, draining the power. If you supply the power, you have to drain from the circuit. Okay. If you do not drain it, then circuit will not working. Okay. This is all the electrical rule here in all kind of circuits. Okay. So now this here the AND gate. So what is AND gate? A 2 input AND gate. You see 2 input AND gate. So here the input is like this. You can say A, B are input and output here. So in the binary number, how many numbers possible by 2 input? The 4 numbers. Okay, you already know that. Yes. So here, what is the function of AND gate? AND gate, the function, this is the AND function. This is the logic. So 0 0, it is 0, 0 1 also 0, 1 0 0, and 1 1 1. So now this is the logic of the AND gate. Now here you see the 4 AND gates are used in single IC. So why we use IC in our experiment? Because IC is the basic building block of other complex digital circuit. And what is the building block of IC? Here for the AND gate, only single gate. AND gate is the building block of AND IC, and this IC is building block of other complex circuit. Okay. Okay. So go to next IC.
Sir,
Sir, can you please tell the use of
Yes.
VCC again?
Okay. Use of VCC.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. VCC is used for power supply to the
Okay, sir.
students. When you listen to me, please mute the microphone. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Yes. VCC is the power supply to the circuit. Used for power supply to the IC. In case of ICs. Okay.
Sir, I also have one question.
Ask.
Sir, suppose from pin 1 and 2 we
Can
supply
you
some
speak
input.
loudly? I can't hear you properly.
Sir, suppose we put some input in pin 1 and 2, then
Yes.
how the result is calculated? It cannot be just one diagram. How that is calculated?
Result. This is used for the pin 3 is used for the output. 1 and 2 is for input. Pin 3 is used for the output. Okay. Similarly, 5 and 6. No, 4 and 5 is the input and 6 is the output.
Sir, inside the IC, how the output is calculated? Like 0, 0, if there is, if suppose 0 and 1. So
Yes.
how it is calculated that
It is the AND IC though. It is the AND IC. So what is the AND operation? So AND operation means whenever the two inputs are high, then the output is high. High means 1 here. Okay. Otherwise, any input is low or 0, the output is 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the AND IC. So it's the AND logic.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other question from the AND logic?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So next.
I have a question, sir. If we join the IC in a computer,
Yes.
so how the VCC and ground works? Like where we need
I
to
can't
connect.
hear you properly. You speak loud.
Sir, if we connect the IC in our system or computer, how the VCC and ground, I mean to say where the VCC and ground need to be connected.
Okay. So actually VCC is
Anyone? May I take this question?
yes, sir.
Okay, Shagor, actually, in which part of the machine you want to connect the IC?
Yes.
First, you need to know this one. Okay, it is not like that the IC can be connected using some USB or something else. You can see the pins over here. So IC can only be connected using these pins. Okay, so these pins are connected in a breadboard. In breadboard, there is a circuit. Okay, where the power supply can be given. Okay, and you can connect that one. So basically here I think you have heard the terms as neutral in the electric supply system. One is positive, one is negative, and another one is neutral. Okay, so this ground is just work like a neutral. Okay, so when you need to connect it, these ICs, there must be some part of the machine which is dedicated to take an IC as the input. Okay, but currently, as this scenario, the ICs are connected only in the motherboard. I think if you see any
Yes,
motherboard,
in the
where
motherboard.
several ICs are connected. So if you want to connect your IC to any part of the machine, there must be some options to connect it. It is not like that you go and put the IC anywhere in the machine. Okay. So I'm not getting your question. In which part of your machine? First, tell me in which part of your machine you want to connect the IC.
Sir, I didn't ask that. I asked
There
sir.
are some reserved plot, Tagore, to
Yes.
connect the ICs in the side already told the motherboard section. Okay.
So
Yes,
no. Actually, I want to know from Shagor that in which part of your PC you want to connect the IC.
No, sir. I just want to ask. That how the VCC and ground works. Like, this is not connect to our
So
main
to work the IC, you don't. So let me clear that to
Yes.
work the IC properly, you don't need to connect it with your PC or laptop. Okay. If you want to work the IC properly, just we need a power supply where the circuit is there, where you can uh, give the power supply to the VCC. Okay. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so there is a thing called breadboard. Okay, in the
Yes.
breadboard there is an integrated circuit is there. Okay, and when we enter something, I can show you.
স্যার আপনি প্রেজেন্ট করুন।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ 1-0
So I'm sharing.
sir
my
you can share.
Okay, just I'm sharing my screen. Okay, and so is that visible to all of you? So this
Yes,
is
sir.
Yes,
this
sir.
is basically this thing is called breadboard. Okay, here some parallel and some vertical, some horizontal and some vertical connections are there. Horizontal vertical means, suppose if you consider this line, how can I show this? Okay, just one second. So I think now the diagram is bigger. Okay, now you can see that. See here, these are the vertical lines. Right, though, Dipangar?
হ্যাঁ ইয়েস স্যার।
So if you connect, if you give any positive, suppose positive input means a voltage over here, there we consider 5 volt, okay, as the one. Am I correct, Dipangar?
Yes, sir.
So when you have
Yes, sir.
entered this one, so when we have entered 5 volt current over here, these all lines are become activated. Okay, and these are basically horizontal lines. When you put a one, so these all become activated. So now, if you put any IC over here, like this way, now you can connect it. These are these pins. The pin of the IC can be easily integrated with this breadboard, and when you through somewhere, we can connect it. Okay, and we can give some power supply, and it will work. Okay, so this kind of device, this breadboard or this kind of device must be available. Okay, to give the what I can say that a power supply to the ICs. Otherwise, it will not going to work. Okay, and there are several IC. If you see the motherboard diagram of any kind of motherboard, you can see, and where you can find the different kind of ICs that present. Every IC has its own work, own responsibility, own job responsibility. Like suppose when you are writing something through the keyboard, so there is an IC called keyboard encoder, so which each and every input can be encoded and decoded. Okay, so similarly, for to process something, there you know that I think if you see in the net some diagram of a PVR or the first day processors, which invented by Intel years back, that is 8085 or 8086, you can find that those processors, they are also look like the ICs. Okay, nowadays the design has changed from hell to heaven. Okay, and there are different integrated things are present. So the processor of nowadays is not like the processor of the first what Intel have invented in its early days, but it initially the processor which is invented by Intel, that is 8085, the microprocessor actually. This microprocessor is also look like an IC. So integrated circuit means it is not like that only a gate is there. But today, what we will do that we will try to give you a flavor of some ICs where the same kind of gate is present. In this IC, what you are just see today, there are several IC, and each IC will represent a particular logic gate. Where four number of maximum in maximum cases, four number of logic gates are present in every IC. There is a VCC for the power supply. There is a ground. Okay. So I have told you this ground line will just work as a neutral line. Okay. And now, but if you see other ICs, not today, by some other day, there are some ICs which consist several kind of things. Okay. Okay, so I think it is clear. Now, Anirban sir, you can continue because we need to do so many things.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Now, now it is we are complete with the AND ICs. Now, sir told the other ICs. Okay, so like the AND IC, there are other ICs also. See, okay, OR IC. See, this is the OR IC. Is similar. It is similar as AND. Okay, just the logic are different here. So what is the logic for OR? Logic for OR is if you put two input here, one is for output, then 0 0 0 1 1 0. Then here it is 0 and all the three are ones. Okay. So what is the function here? This is the function. This is the output function of OR. So now it is similar to AND. Nothing different. See, IC number is different here, and the logic is different. IC number is IC 743. This is the OR IC. Okay. 4 OR gates are there because of the 14 pin. That's why 2 are reserved for the ground and VCC. And just note the IC number and the logic. Okay. Now, okay, here this IC is some kind different from the AND and OR because this IC is NOT gate IC. So what is NOT gate? NOT gate is one input IC. So you put one input. So what is the output? Output is your inverse complement of the input. If you put 0, you get 1. If you put 1, you get 0. So that's why it is one input IC. So one pin is reserved for the input and other one for output. And that's why there are total 14 pins. 2 are reserved already. So 12 pins. And from the 12 pins, the one input, one output. So 6 gate are used. Okay, 6 NOT gate. In case of NOT, the 6 gate in the ICs, and IC number is you already shown here. It is 740, and it is a NOT gate. Okay. Now,
Sir, IC number of AND gate IC?
AND gate is
7408.
7408.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, now see that I see the NOR gate. Okay, NOR gate means NOR not of OR. Okay, the complement of OR gate here. So that's why there signifies this bubble. The complement signified by this bubble here. Okay, and here the difference, the direction of these gates, this IC, the NOR gate direction, it's different than other ICs. You see that the other IC's direction here. See the NAND gate here. Okay, these are right direction. Okay, and the only for exceptional case is the NOR gate. and rest of the all things are same. The logic is different. So what is the logic? Logic is here, if you like this, why? So it is 1 and all are 0. Why all are 0? Because in case of OR, shift this portion, so where the all inputs are low, it is 0 and others 1. So it is just complement of it. That's why it is 1 and all the others inputs are, for the all the others input it is 0. Okay, that is not. And the IC number is 7402 and the gate is not. Okay, next one.
স্যার নরের জন্য গেটসের ডিরেকশনটা অপোজিট সাইডে কেন?
এটা ডিপেন্ডস অন দ্য ম্যানুফ্যাকচারার, ঠিক আছে? যখন এটা বেরিয়েছিল, মানে যখন ম্যানুফ্যাকচারার এটাকে তৈরি করেছিল তখন এইভাবেই বানিয়েছিল, তারপর থেকে এটাই চলে আসছে। ওকে, ইফ ইউ ওয়ান্ট টু ইমপ্লিমেন্ট সামথিং নিউ, ইউ ক্যান ইমপ্লিমেন্ট বাই ইউর ওন, এটা কোনো ব্যাপার নয়। ওকে
ওকে,
জাস্ট পিনগুলো জাস্ট ডিফারেন্ট হয়ে যাচ্ছে, আর কোনো ব্যাপার নয়, আর সবই কিন্তু ফাংশন কিন্তু সেম, বুঝতে পারছো?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
Okay. Similar, this one is NAND gate IC. This NOR and NAND, both gates are called universal gate. Why? Because using NOR and NAND, you can implement any kind of complex Boolean function. Any kind of gates also and any kind of other Boolean function also. Okay, that's why it's called universal gate. So the IC number of NAND is 7400. NAND gate, not of AND. Okay. All are same here. The logic is different. What is the logic? Not of AND. And the last IC here, this one. This one is XOR gate IC. Another name of XOR is the exclusive OR here. Okay, and the IC number is 7486. And what is the logic? XOR logic. XOR logic are like this. If AV are two input, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, this is 0, this is 0, and this is 1. When you see odd number of ones in case of input, the output is 1. Even number of ones, output is 0. See here, no ones are there. No ones means even number. 0 is an even number, you can say that. So it is 0. And here two ones are there, so it is 0. Odd number of ones, you get 1 here. This is the XOR logic. You can implement this XOR by using AND or not. Basic 3 gates. You can implement it. Here I will show you. Okay. So actually the logic, the function is, XOR function is A bar means A complement B plus A B complement. This is actually the mean terms. Okay, this mean terms, this is called SOP. You will study in detail logic classes. The SOP, study in detail logic. Okay, so this is the actual function for XOR. Okay, done. Sir,
Yes.
sir, you can continue from now. I
Okay,
have
thank
done
you.
with ICs.
Okay, thank you, Anirban, as you have done your part. Okay.
Yes.
Now students,
I have to stop my sharing. One second. Yes.
now students, actually, we need to do it. We need to do the practical, okay, using some simulator. And before we going to start the simulator, actually, what Sir already have told you. So just I will discuss some little more on the gates. Okay. So before I'm sharing my screen. So you can see that first we will start with suppose the AND gate. Okay. So you all know that how the AND gate actually it's look like. Suppose this is the AND gate, and where you have given this A and B as input, and suppose we are getting this Y as output. So basically, Y is equal to A dot B. We know this one. This is very common thing. We know this one. And this is the truth table of the AND gate. But if we consider this A and B as the input, so our input combination is 0, 1, 0, 1. This is 0, 0, 1, 1, where we can get this value. And the Y, it will come what? The logic of the AND gate is if any 0 is there in the input, if any 0 is there in the input, the output becomes 0. And if all input are 1, then only the output is 1. If all input are 1, then only the output is 1. So only this case we are getting a 1. And in all other case, we are getting 0 because we have 0 in the input. Whether it's 1, 0 or more than 1, 0 does not matter. If there is a single 0 is present in the input, so output becomes 0. Okay. This is for the AND gate. Now we will check it using a simulator. Okay. So see, this is the online simulator we will use today, that is academo.org. So I am giving the link in the chat box. Okay, and you can open it by clicking the same. Okay, the link is there. By clicking on this link, you can open the site, and also we can do it over here. Okay, so when you click on the link, this Academo, this one is open, and you can see over there that there are 3 kind of simulator present. Okay. Oh, Anirban, there is an urgent call. I have to take on this one from the college. Just give me 30 seconds.
হ্যালো স্যার লিঙ্কটা কি কম্পিউটার থেকে ওপেন করতে হবে না মোবাইল থেকে করলে চলবে স্যার?
হ্যাঁ, দুটো থেকেই হবে। মোবাইল
মোবাইল থেকে
কম্পিউটার
করলে
দুটো থেকেই করতে পারো।
মোবাইল থেকে করলে
Okay?
অসুবিধা হবে না তো স্যার?
না না, অসুবিধা হবে না। কি দীপঙ্কর,
থ্যাংক ইউ।
মোবাইলে অসুবিধা হবে নাকি জিজ্ঞেস করছে?
না না, কোনো অসুবিধা হবে না।
ওকে স্যার, থ্যাংক ইউ।
লিঙ্কটা ওপেন কর, গো টু দ্য লিঙ্ক এন্ড ওপেন দ্য সাইট খুলুন।
Okay, so I think all of you have opened this one. You can do it using your mobile. You can do it using laptop. No problem. For every kind of device, it will work. So now in this 3 part, you have a virtual oscilloscope. Okay, 3D vector plotter and logic gate simulator. We require this logic gate simulator. So click on that logic gate simulator, and it will open this one. Okay, so you can see that here we have a board basically where we have input, output. So now first we'll check AND gate. Select this input, add this node. I'm showing it again. Okay, just see it. First, see, to check any kind of gate, what we require 2 input. Okay, so I'm selecting one input, click on add node, it has appeared here. Then again clicking on add node, another okay. Problem. One second. We have both the inputs. If we click on AND gate, click on add node, it will appear. Okay, now it's working. Some problem has occurred. So there is an AND gate. Okay, just you can simply drag it. These are first input. You can drag the second one. These are second input, and you can drag it over here. So this is the output. Okay. So what is the logic of the AND gate? As we know that if any of the input is 0, the output becomes 0. So how to indicate 0 and 1? See, this yellowish box we indicate a 1 and whitish one indicate the 0. So now at this moment both are 0. So same as our output is also 0. Okay. When I will on both the input, that means both are 1. When both the inputs are 1, that time you will get a 1 at the output. So I think it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now all of you do the same thing using OR gate. Okay, this is AND now. So in the drop down list, you can find the OR is there present. So just do it using the OR gate. Okay.
Sir, again tell us just the procedure, sir, where we have to go after the links.
You have not do it till now.
Hello, sir. Sir, actually, there is a interruption in internet connection, sir. Your voice is
Okay.
breaking.
Have you click on the link?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay. So when the site appear, just scroll down and you will find on the rightmost side, you will find a logic gate simulator.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes.
yeah, click on that. So when you click this window will appear. Have you got this one window?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
And then there is a drop down list. Just select the gate or input or anything what you require. Okay, and then click on the add node. Okay. Suppose you require a node, select a node here, add node, it will come, and by using drag and you can put it anywhere where you want. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, if you've done this one now, if anybody has done this, then just inform me in the chat box. Okay, so many of you have done. Deepak Kumar. Deepak, can you share your screen?
Yes, sir.
You just share it.
Sir, can you see?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Deepak, it is the end one. Na? I have asked you for the or.
Oh, okay. One minute.
Just remove the end, put a or over there.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes. Now put any of the input on.
On.
Yes, you can see now the logic of the OR gate is what? If any of the input is 1, then the output become 1. And if all the input are 0, then the output become 0.
0.
Okay. So you can on both the input, the output is 1. Okay. And when both become 0, then the output become 0. Thank you, Deepak. So I think all of you
Thank
have
you.
done this thing. Okay. Now we will see another one, and that is called the NOR. Okay. But before we going to see the NOR gate, just a small NOR or NAND rather than you can say anything, the NAND one. So before I going to explain the NAND, just see it that when we have this one, the AND gate with us. So what is the NAND? One second. So basically, the NAND gate is and the NOT gate. Okay. So if I put a NOT in front of this, so it basically become a NAND. So we know that the function y, the output function y is basically a dot b whole bar. Okay. And what is the logic of the AND gate? Logic of the AND gate is if any of the input is 0, the output becomes 0. Of the AND, any of the input is 0, the output is 0. So NAND is just opposite of the AND. That means in case of NAND, if any of the input is 0, the output become 1. Okay. And for AND, if all the input are 1, the output is 1. Here, when all the input are 1, the output become 0. So this is the logic of NAND gate. We know that, and simply we can write it, or you can draw it by this way also, that this is your NAND gate. Okay. So I think it is clear to all of you. So now I'm asking you to implement OR. Sorry, NOR. So how to implement NOR? I think you know that this is your OR gate. Okay. And in front of OR, if we put a NOT, it become a NOR gate. Okay. So we can do it by this way also. So first do it using OR and NOT, and then directly you can do it using a NOR. So first implement. Okay, let's first I will do the AND, a NAND, and then you can do it. Okay. So I'll take an input. Then I will take a AND gate. Okay. It will come here. Then I will take a NOT gate. It will come at this position. Now I am connecting the inputs. Okay. And here it is come here and from this location. Clear? So clearly you can see at the moment now when I have connected, just when I have connected, you can see that both are 0, it become 1. Sorry, I have just done the opposite one. Sorry. No. Clear? when because at the default value of the input is 0 na? At the moment, just when I have selected, you can see I'm showing it once again. Just see when the connection is done, it becomes yellow.
Sir, your audio is not clear.
Not clear?
একটু কাটছে স্যার।
Now clear? বোঝা যাচ্ছে কি না বুঝতে পারছে?
না, একটা ডিস্টারবেন্স আসছে।
From my end.
না, sir, এবার ঠিক আছে স্যার।
ঠিক আছে?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
এটা অন্য কল থেকে আসছিল। Yeah, whatever. So just you can see that both the input are 0 and it become 1. Okay. So if I will off any of the input, still it is 1 because we have a 0 with us. Now when both are 1 now, that time it becomes 0. Clear? Okay. Now you will implement it using the same thing using NOR. Okay. The same logic. See, it is NAND using AND and NOT. So if I remove this, you can check it directly the NAND. Okay, you can put it over here. Just will connect it. And same thing will happen. Okay, so I have done it once using AND and NOT, and once using the NAND. Okay, so you have to do it first using OR and NOT. So OR and NOT, it will give you what? NOT. Okay, so do it, and by the same way, when you have done it, just inform us in the chat box. So let's do it. Done? Okay. So fast. Auditro done. Deepak Kumar done. So the NOT. Okay. Auditro, you can share your screen. Just see.
স্যার দেখা যাচ্ছে?
একদম পরিষ্কার।
হ্যাঁ, এটা ইউজিং নট
হুম,
এন্ড এটাতে যদি একটা অন অফ হয়।
বাহ, হয়তো সুন্দর করে এঁকেছো তো। এটা তো NAND হলো।
হ্যাঁ, আচ্ছা নটটা
NOR নিয়ে নাও একটা। So what is the logic of NOR? In the OR, if any of the input is 1, output is 1. So here, if any of the input is 1, the output is 0. And when all the input is 0, the output is 1. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So you have done it. So basically, we have 3 basic gates. Okay? And
Yes, sir.
our basic gates are
and
and
or not.
or not. Very good.
NOR and NOR.
No, and
Or
or
and or not.
Or and NOR.
not and or not. And NAND and NOR, these two are universal gate, not basic gates. Okay, NAND and NOR, these two are universal gate. Okay, so till now we have done this thing. Now we will see the other one, that is XOR and XNOR. Okay, so let's see XOR. Okay, so what is the logic behind the XOR? First, I will draw the truth table. The logic is, for the odd number of 1, the output is 1. So 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. For the odd number of 1,
স্যার
When
আপনার
the-
স্ক্রিন শেয়ার হচ্ছে না।
কি করে হবে, ভুলে গেছি করতে।
আমার অডিও অফ ছিল, বলতে পারলাম না।
ও, এই না, আমার তো স্ক্রিন শেয়ারিং আছে।
দেখাচ্ছি না তাহলে।
আচ্ছা, আরেকবার করছি।
আসছে।
দেখো তো, এবার দেখা যাচ্ছে?
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
Okay, so logic of XOR is when the odd number of input is 1, that then the output is 1. So for the 0,
Again, the noise is coming. Sir. Your voice is not
yeah,
clear. I guess Dipankar sir, আপনার একটু problem হচ্ছে। হ্যাঁ।
okay, so 0 0 is 0, and here we have two number of 1, so it is also 0. But in the intermediate these two cases we have single number of 1, that is odd number of 1. So that means we have got 1 in these two position. Okay, so now if we draw the circuit from this equation, so we will consider only the what, only these ones. Okay, we will consider these ones only. So for this one we have this, for this one we have this. So for the first one, okay, our output is, for the first one we have A and B as 0, so B bar. And for the second one we have 0 at A position, so it is A bar and then a B. Okay, so now if we draw the circuit over here, we have A and B, both the inputs. Okay, now just have done AND, so it is A, it is B. We need to do something here, that is so it is A B bar, so the first one what we have done here, it is A B bar, this one is A bar B, and the combination of this what we have got, it is A B bar plus A bar B. Now if you look here, what are the different gates we have used? We have used one OR gate, we have used one AND gate, two AND gates, and two NOT gates. So this is basically exclusive OR. Okay, you can do it first by this way, and then also we will do it using the, oh sorry, this is the actual direct symbol of XOR gate. You can do it by this also. So first we will do by this way. Okay, so let's do it and comment on the chat box. We will check. Already few of you have done. Anushree Pal. Anushree, you have done the XOR by this way?
I'm still doing.
Okay. Acha, this was, I think, the previous one. Okay, so Sagor, can you share your screen? Sagor Jana. Sagor Jana, can you share your screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Just a little.
No. Sir, is it visible?
Yes, definitely it's visible.
Yes, sir. So this one.
So it is A bar B and B bar A. Okay, very good. Sagor, can you on
sir.
both the input?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can see that when Sagor on the first one, the output become 1, and when just he on the second one, the output become 0. So with both the input, what we are getting, it is 0. So for 1 1 or 0 0, it is 0, and for a odd number of 1, we are getting a 1 at the output. Yes.
Yes,
So now I am asking now Sneha. Sneha, can you share your screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sneha, just share your screen, and Shagor, you can stop the sharing.
Yes, sir. I've done.
Okay. Very good done by Shagor.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, actually, I'm doing this, doing in laptop and doing class in phone.
Okay, so not possible. You can do the both the thing in laptop. No? When you have a laptop, why you are using the phone? Okay, let's see if we have done it. Actually, I want to see it from some new. Okay, the last one, Sushmita Mondol. Sushmita, have you done it?
Yes, sir. I'm in phone.
So yeah, you can
Hello?
share it. You can share the screen now.
Yes, sir, but it's not looking that proper.
Okay. So who wants to share it? Is there anyone who wants to share it? Just
I
that
can
is-
share, sir.
স্যার আমি করব
যে একবার পড়েছো নাম চাইছি নতুন কেউ, হ্যাঁ, কে এটা?
স্যার আমি করছি স্যার আমি করিনি
সাগর দে, হ্যাঁ করো করো করো, ভেরি গুড করো।
স্যার হচ্ছে কি
এখনো হয়নি সাগর।
স্যার কিভাবে শেয়ারটা করব আমি ল্যাপটপেই আছি স্যার
দেখো একদম রাইট সাইডে প্রেজেন্ট নাও বলে একটা অপশন আছে।
হ্যাঁ স্যার শেয়ার ইউর ইন্টারেস্ট
প্রেজেন্ট নাও এ ক্লিক করো। প্রেজেন্ট নাও তে ক্লিক করে দেখো একটা অপশন দেখাবে ইউর এন্টায়ার স্ক্রিন, ওটাকে সিলেক্ট করে করতে হবে।
ইয়েস স্যার তারপরে দেখাচ্ছে শেয়ার ইউর এন্টায়ার স্ক্রিন, ওখানে তারপর কিছু দেখাচ্ছে না।
হ্যাঁ, ওইটাকে তারপরে সিলেক্ট করো। দেখো ইউর এন্টায়ার স্ক্রিন
হ্যাঁ
করলে
স্যার,
তো
হ্যাঁ,
তারপরে ওই
হ্যাঁ,
স্ক্রিনটাকে সিলেক্ট করতে হবে, তারপরে শেয়ারের অপশনটা অ্যাক্টিভেট হবে। হ্যাঁ, এবার হচ্ছে। ভেরি গুড। Okay, now why I have asked you to share. Sagor, add one not get. Okay, add
Okay.
one not get.
স্যার where?
Yeah, just before the output.
Okay sir.
You can put it above. No problem. You can put it above.
Okay sir.
Yeah, and then can drag it. আগে কানেকশনটা রয়ে গেল সাগর, ওটাকে রাইট ক্লিক
রিমুভ কর
করে রিমুভ হয়ে যাবে। জাস্ট হ্যাঁ, ওইটার উপরে রাইট ক্লিক করো আরেকবার। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, রাইট ক্লিক করো। যাচ্ছে না রাইট ক্লিক করলে?
স্যার এক মিনিট স্যার
লাইনটার মাঝখানে রাইট করতে হবে।
Done.
তুমি হ্যাঁ গেছে, চলো।
এবার স্যার আউটপুটে নিয়ে আসবো।
হ্যাঁ এবার করে নিয়ে আসো। So you can see that now when the inputs are 1, both the inputs are 1, the output become 1. Suppose just off both the input.
Yes sir. Then also one.
Also 1. So that means it is basically the XNOR gate. Okay, XNOR. We know now the XNOR. Okay.
XNOR is the complement of XOR.
XNOR. Okay. So just you can stop your sharing and I will explain something about XNOR and then we'll end the class.
Okay sir.
Okay, so you can see that this is basically our XOR. Okay, so in front of this XOR,
Sir, your screen is
share.
not-
oh, করছি। Just wait. It's not done. Good. So see that in front of this XOR, if I put a NOT gate now, so it become XOR, XNOR. Now what is the function of XNOR? For XOR, what was the logic? Logic was that for even number of 1, it is 0. So for XNOR, for even number of 1, it is 1. And for 0, all 0, it should be 1. Okay. And for odd number of 1, previously it was 1, so now it is 0. So we are getting 1 at 2 position. One is here and another is here. Okay. So for this 2, 1, the output function is, for the first one, it is A bar, B bar. And for the second one, it is A, B. Okay. So you can do it by putting a NOT in front of it, or you can implement by this way also. Okay. And this is the symbolic representation. You can, though the NOR gate, XNOR gate is not available, you have to implement it using XOR and NOT. Okay. So I think we have done it. দীপঙ্কর স্যার, এদের কি আর কিছু করানো দরকার আছে আজকে? দীপঙ্কর স্যার তো অডিও প্রবলেম আছে। হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে। So we have done it. Now what is remain, that is the how to write your lab report. Okay. And Dipankar sir has designed a nice front page. Okay, so he will share that with you. আর কিছু কি এই অনির্বাণ স্যার?
হ্যাঁ।
আর আজকে আর কিছু করাবো না তো? এই পর্যন্ত ছেড়ে দিলাম নাকি?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, আগের গ্রুপগুলো এই পর্যন্তই হয়েছিল।
ওকে ওকে ঠিক আছে। তো we have done it. Okay, and now Anirban sir will explain you that how to write the lab report, and then from next Aritro, and from next class onwards, what we will do now that তো তাড়াতাড়ি হয়ে যাচ্ছে। আর এমনি সবাই মোটামুটি বুঝতে পারছো তো? বুঝতে অসুবিধা হচ্ছে না তো? সুস্মিতা কিছু বলবে?
Yes, sir. বুঝতে পারছি।
Okay. So now what we will do now from next week onwards, for group 1 and group 2, we will do the lab jointly. Okay. And আমরা ওই তাতে কি হবে, একটা দিন আইদার মানডে তোমাদের কি থাকে? ডিজিটাল
কিছু নেই আমাদের।
মানডে শুধুমাত্র এই ল্যাবটাই থাকে তো?
হ্যাঁ
মানে যখন এই ল্যাবটা শুধু এই ল্যাবটাই হয়, তাই তো?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
ঠিক আছে, সো উই উইল ডু দ্য ল্যাব অন মানডে। ওকে, সো হোয়াট উইল
Okay.
গেট না, আর তোমাদের আজকে কি থাকে এই ল্যাবটার সঙ্গে?
ডিজিটাল।
ডিজিটাল। ঠিক আছে, আমরা যেটা করব সেটা হচ্ছে যে যদি টাইম, আমি ভেবেছিলাম টাইম একদিন বেশি পাবো, কিন্তু টাইমটা পাওয়া যাচ্ছে না। কেন পাওয়া যাচ্ছে না? দেখো, when all student will do digital in one class and all student will do CO in another class, so basically দুটো দিন আমাদের ব্লক হচ্ছে উইকে, তাই না?
হ্যাঁ
আমি ভেবেছিলাম যে এই সময় করলে তাহলে একটা সুবিধা যেটা হবে, we will do the that coding class on সানডে করব না, আমরা স্যাটারডে করে নেব। ঠিক আছে, এটা অ্যাডভান্টেজ হবে, তাহলে আমাদের আর স্যাটারডে করতে হবে না। ঠিক আছে, স্যাটারডে এই ক্লাসটা
হ্যাঁ।
করতে হবে না।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
কি বললাম, বোঝা গেছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
কিন্তু ওই উইকডেজে করা গেল না কোডিং ক্লাসটা, আমরা তার জায়গায় স্যাটারডে করে নেব। ঠিক আছে,
ওকে স্যার। ওকে
ওকে। সো ফ্রম নেক্সট উইক অনওয়ার্ডস আমি তোমাদের ডিজিটাল স্যারের সঙ্গে কথা বলে নেবো, কৌশিক স্যারের, কৌশিক ম্যাডাম করেন না, ম্যাডাম আর স্যার দুজনই থাকেন তো ল্যাবে।
হ্যাঁ দুজনই থাকে।
আমি কথা বলে নেবো ওদের সঙ্গে, আমরা একসঙ্গে করে নেবো, ওরাও একসঙ্গে করবে, আমরা একসঙ্গে করে নেবো। ঠিক আছে, সো
ওকে
হার্ডওয়্যার ল্যাবের জন্য একসঙ্গে করা যাবে, হ্যাঁ, নট ফর সফটওয়্যার ল্যাবস।
আচ্ছা স্যার ঠিক আছে।
ওকে, সো উই হ্যাভ ডান ইট। হ্যাঁ, সো আই এম লিভিং। এই অনির্বাণ স্যার আর দীপঙ্কর স্যার আপনারা একটু ওটা বুঝিয়ে দিন, হ্যাঁ,
হ্যাঁ
সো যাতে নেক্সট থেকে ওরা এটা জমা করবে। ওকে,
হ্যালো দীপঙ্কর স্যার, বলে
হ্যাঁ
দিন।
রয়েছি।
হ্যাঁ আছেন?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ আছে আছে, শোনা যাচ্ছে তো স্টুডেন্টরা?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
হুম।
ইয়েস স্যার ইয়েস স্যার।
আচ্ছা, you have to prepare one report, right? For each and every day you have to prepare a report and you have to submit the same before the next class. Okay?
ওকে
Hello?
ইয়েস স্যার ইয়েস স্যার।
Okay. So how you have to report the how you have to write the report? I am mentioning the points. Okay. The first point will be experiment number. Okay. Next, experiment name. Point 2 is experiment name. Then point 3, objectives. Here you will write the objectives of the experiment. Today's experiment was familiarization with different ICs and different basic gates, right? So for that one you may write the objectives like familiarization with ICs, verification of truth tables, and design of basic gates using design of different gates using the basic gates. This could be your objectives. Okay. Next.
স্যার এক্সপেরিমেন্ট নেমটা একবার বলবেন?
Okay, I just say you wait. Hello.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Experiment name is familiarization with different ICs and logic gates. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Then after objective, your point will be theory. Okay. In this theory part, today we have done different ICs and different logic gates, right? So for that one, within theory, we will make a sub point. Like first point is AND gate. And within the AND gate, you will write a brief description of the gate. One-liner or two-liner. Okay. Then you will write the logic gate expression. Logic gate expression within the theory. You will write the logic gate expression like output O equal to A and B. That will be your logic gate expression. So that will be okay. Then you have to mention the IC pin diagram. IC pin diagram that Anirban said already shown you, right? Those IC diagram and how the actual gates are there within the IC. Within the IC, you have to copy paste that same from the internet. You will get that, and the IC diagram you will get from the internet. Okay, you just include that in your report. Then next point will be truth table. For each gate, you have to put the truth table. Then after truth table, you will give the circuit diagram. In this circuit diagram, you will put the same circuit that you have designed in your computer during the lab or during your experiment time. That picture should be here in this circuit diagram part. Okay. Then last point would be conclusion, or you can rename it as remarks. Okay. Here you will write how you have simulated the circuit and whether you have faced any problem regarding this, or whether you have got the expected result or not. You have to write these things in the conclusion part. Don't make it large, make it simple and easy to understand. Okay, clear, students?
Yes, sir.
স্যার বলছিলাম শুধু এন্ড গেট লিখতে হবে না আরো অন্য কোনো গেট?
না জাস্ট আমি একটা এক্সাম্পল দিলাম, সে এটা এন্ড
থিওরিতে
ঠিক আছে। দেন তুমি পরের যে গেটটা সাপোজ অর আছে, জর আছে, এগুলোর জন্য তুমি পরপর লিখে যাবে। ঠিক ফরম্যাটটা এটা ফলো হবে, কনক্লুশনটা একদম সবার লাস্টে লিখবে।
ওকে স্যার, ওকে ওকে।
সব গেটস গুলো লেখা হয়ে গেল, দেন কনক্লুশন উইল বি এট দ্য এন্ড অফ দ্য রিপোর্ট। ওকে, ক্লিয়ার?
ওকে স্যার, ক্লিয়ার ক্লিয়ার।
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you have to provide one front page. In every lab report, you have to make one front page. Okay, I have already designed one front page that I will send it to the CR. CR, please send your mail ID to the chat box so that I will send the front page to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anirban sir, I think we have done this. কারো কোনো প্রবলেম আছে?
স্যার যে ডায়াগ্রামস গুলো আছে এগুলো কি মানে হাতে এঁকে এরকম ভাবে দেবো, মানে ডিজিটাল কপি হবে নাকি পিডিএফ?
ডিজিটালি তুমি কপি পেস্ট করবে, টাইপ করে দিয়ে দেবে, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। ডায়াগ্রাম গুলো তো অলরেডি নেটে অ্যাভেলেবেল আছে, ইউ ক্যান টেক ইট ফ্রম দেয়ার। ওকে, নো ইস্যু দ্যাট। প্রচুর ওয়েস্ট করতে হবে না, কাজটা ঠিকঠাক করে করো তাহলেই হবে। হ্যাঁ, আর একদম এটা করো না কি অন্যজনের কপি করে তুমি পেস্ট করে দিলে। দ্য সার্কিট ডায়াগ্রাম শুড বি ডিফারেন্ট, রাইট? তুমি যেটা করছো, তুমি যেভাবে ডিজাইন করেছো, ওয়্যারটার কানেকশন যা হবে অন্যজনের ওয়্যারের কানেকশন তাই হবে না, রাইট?
আচ্ছা, মানে লাইভটার একটা স্ক্রিনশট তুলে পোস্ট করতে হবে ওখানে?
স্ক্রিনশট তুলে সার্কিট ডায়াগ্রামের যে পোরশনটা আছে ওখানে লাইভ স্ক্রিনশটটা তুলে।
ওকে ওকে, ফাইন ফাইন। ওকে।
আচ্ছা, আমি যখন স্ক্রিনটা শেয়ার করছিলাম দেখা যাচ্ছিল?
না স্যার,
দীপঙ্কর ওটা আসেনি কিন্তু।
দেখো দেখা যাচ্ছে,
ট্রাই করো তো। হ্যাঁ, এবার দেখা যাচ্ছে।
দেখা যাচ্ছে?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ,
ইয়েস স্যার, ইয়েস স্যার।
ওকে, দেখো আমি একটা দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি তোমাদেরকে। এই দেখো, অ্যাকচুয়ালি ল্যাব রিপোর্টটা এইভাবে লেখা হবে: এক্সপেরিমেন্ট নাম্বার, দেন এক্সপেরিমেন্ট নেম, দেন অবজেক্টিভ, এরকম পয়েন্ট পয়েন্ট করে লিখবে, দেন থিওরি। ওকে, দেখো থিওরি আন্ডারে আমি 0.1 করেছি, অ্যান্ড গেট দিয়েছি, তো অ্যান্ড গেটের ব্রিফ একটা ডেসক্রিপশন দিয়ে দিয়েছি শুধু, দেন এক্সপ্রেশন, দেন আইসি ডায়াগ্রাম, then truth table, then the circuit diagram what I have designed in the mobile, that I have taken the screenshot and I have pasted it here. Okay, and in conclusion part you will write it of your own. Clear?
Yes
Yes, sir.
Okay, and the front page will,
Sir, please show the previous page.
this one.
Sir, previous
This
one.
one?
Sir, the first one, first page, sir.
This one, experiment number, experiment name, this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can take a snap of this.
Sir, I am recording the screen.
Okay, sir. Nice.
Done, sir.
Done? Okay. And this will be your front page. Okay. This is your front page. For each and every experiment, you have to provide a front page. This first one is course name. Course name is your subject name, that is Computer Organization Lab. Okay. Then course code, you know, PCC CS 392. Experiment number, whichever experiment you have done. For today, this is experiment 01. Then experiment title, the experiment name will be here. Then name of the student. In actual laboratory, we'll do this. We always do this in groups. But in today's situation or now, the situation is not like that. So we have to just mention the student name, only the name of the student, not the group members. Okay, and then the other thing will be done by the faculty members. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I think I have shown this. Okay, CR কি আছে
Yes.
এখানে? অরিত্র,
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
অরিত্র আমি তোমাকে ফ্রন্ট পেজটা মেল করে দেবো, ঠিক আছে?
ওকে স্যার, ওকে।
ওকে ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ।
মেল করে দিলে ও সবাইকে পাঠিয়ে দেবে।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, জাস্ট ওখানে ড্যাশগুলো এডিট করে নেবে ওরা।
হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ, এডিট করে আমি ডক ফাইল পাঠিয়ে দেবো, এডিট করে নেবে, করে এইভাবে সাবমিট করে দেবে। ওকে, গুগল
Okay,
ক্লাসরুমে সাবমিট করতে হবে, এটা অনির্বাণ স্যার বলে দেবেন তোমাদেরকে।
ওকে ওকে।
অনির্বাণ, তাহলে শেষ করছি।
হ্যাঁ, আজকে শেষ করে দিন।
ওকে, আজকে এখানে শেষ।
ওকে স্যার, থ্যাংক ইউ।
থ্যাংক
Sir,
ইউ।
please send that printing. What was that page, sir? Front page immediately, sir. Just now I am in printing shop.
अरे प्रिंट क्यों करेगा?
प्रिंट क्यों करोगे? सॉफ्ट कॉपी एडिट करोगे ना।
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है। Okay
You
okay.
don't need to print anything. All things in soft copy. Okay.
Okay sir, okay sir.
You don't need to print or write anything. ওকে দীপঙ্কর,
হ্যাঁ শেষ করলাম, লেট করছি।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ আমি লিভ করলাম।
স্যার স্যার অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সের কি হবে?
তুমি পাঠাবে তো অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স, কে কে ছিল।
ওকে স্যার, আমি পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি।
হ্যাঁ অরিত্র তুমি সেন্ড করে দিও, ঠিক আছে?
ঠিক আছে স্যার, ঠিক আছে।
হয়তো এসএস নেওয়া হয়ে গেছে তো?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, লিভ করতে
ঠিক
পারি।
আছে ঠিক আছে। হুম, হুম।